Hey guys, just to clarify, some of our answers are wrong on our answer key, so just make sure either email us or ask us. We do know there's some errors, and I do want to talk about the square root of imaginary numbers. The square root of negative 12 is the square root of negative 1 times 12, and the square root of negative 1 by definition is I. So this becomes I square root of 12. So if it's the square root of negative 36, that's really the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. The square root of negative 1 is I, so that would be 6i. So if it's a perfect square, it comes out. If it's not a perfect square, it can stay as the radical. And again, if you have something like x equals 5 plus or minus 2, sorry, I didn't mean that. If you get x equals 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 12 over 2, you don't even have to simplify that at all. Also, the password for the test is Disney World. So if you write that on your test, you might get some bonus points.